Welcome to Mindworks, an oasis of sanity in a complex and demanding world. We're glad you're here.
I think Mindworks is about freedom.
This resource that are there, and people, the mass, the big group of people who needs them.
Speaking in modern accents.
So Mindworks is accessibility.
And expand our understanding of who we are.
When mind works, it's wonderful. When mind doesn't work, it's a catastrophe.
Expand your understanding of meditation and its many benefits with this extensive library of short inspirational talks.
We never take care of our mind, but our mind is what is going to stay with us all along.
The more you give to others, the less you get. But loving kindness and compassion is not like that. The more you can give, the more you gain.
It's like we're living at the moment behind blocks of ice. The thing about ice, it can be melted. So what's going to melt it? It's love. Love is the melter.
Welcome to Mindworks. We are meditation redefined.